some real drama queen sometimes. See? Good job relaxing. Yes, ma'am. Got one more right here. Yep, there it was. Do you feel that?
Yep.
Deep breath for me, Grace. All the way out. Beautiful. Oh, Grace. How'd that feel?
Wow.
Deep breath. All the way out, Grace. Beautiful. Relax, relax. Good. One more. There it is. Whew. You okay?
Yeah.
Same thing other side.
3 weeks now?
Okay, alright. Deep breath. All the way out. Perfect. Perfect. My goodness. I think I moved your whole spine here. Go face up for me. Alright, here we go, Grace. Relax as much as you can. Oh. One more, Grace.
Oh my gosh.
Your ears are bright red. That's awesome.
Let it all relax out. Oh yeah. Should have felt that all the way down.
Wow.
Yeah, that's a wow adjustment. That's a shock and awe.
Yes,
You
sir.
did really good on your very first ring, deer.
Oh, man.
Perfect. Yes, sir.
Good. Relax right here. Very good. All right. See if UFC gives me a little royalty and plugging. Relax right here. Very good. All right. Relax your shoulders right here for me. Take a deep breath for me. Completely exhale. Very good. Relax right here for me. Good. Relax here. Very good. Nice. Take a deep breath. Completely exhale. Very good. Take a deep breath. Completely exhale. Breathe in for me. Completely exhale. Very good. Lay facing the opposite way for me. Breathe in. All the way out. Very good. Lay face up for me. Relax here. Very good. Very good. Very good. One more here. Excellent. Alrighty, sir.
I'm just gonna go nice and easy. You're gonna be fine. Good. Good. She is her. Good. Okay. That's it.
Relax right in here. Relax right in here for me. Very good. Movement in there, Aleem?
Mm-hmm.
Yep. Relax right in here. Very good. Okay. Good movement. Take a deep breath. Completely exhale. There we go. Relax right in here. Go over here. Very good. Take a deep breath. Completely exhale. Very good. Let me have you lay on your side facing this way. Take a deep breath. Completely exhale. Very good. Lay face up there for me. Good. Excellent.
Good. Wow. Wow. Yeah, he's not letting me have this side as much. Oh, good. Wow. Dude.
Nice deep breath through your nose. There you go. Boy, that was perfect. Now see, she's a champ. She's not a whiner. Good job. You're still kicking. Now she's got an atlas subluxation right there. There we go. And that was C2 through C6 on that one. And then we're going to work up into the lower thoracics. There we go. Good job. Exhale. Yep.